Good day, everyone, especially to you, Dr. Afros John Mejias. Today, I will explain what can schools do for communities in return. It asks for an explanation of how schools contribute back to the community. It focuses on the roles and responsibilities of schools in helping community development, not only by educating learners, but also by promoting values, skills, and knowledge that benefit society. Schools can serve as centers of learning, provide programs or activities for community members, and help address local needs. Here are some concrete examples by the DepEd Premier. First, classroom used by community organizations for meetings. This allows the local groups like barangay councils, PTCA, or youth organizations to gather in a safe and accessible place. Many communities lack a proper hall, so classrooms become the most practical venue for planning projects. During meetings, they can discuss community concerns such as cleanliness, cleanliness drives, fiesta preparations, or peace and order. Using classrooms also strengthens the link between the school and the community because both share the space. As a result, cooperation and organization within the community are improved. Second, school used as a polling place and venue for medical mission, which it may co-sponsor with the rural health unit. During national and local elections, schools provide a convenient and familiar place for people to vote. Classrooms are converted into precincts, and the school grounds can accommodate large crowds in an orderly manner. At the same time, schools may co-sponsor medical missions with the rural health unit. These missions offer free checkups, medicines, dental services, and health consultations to residents. This makes healthcare more accessible, especially for families who cannot easily go to hospitals. Third, school used by the rural health unit for mothers class on child care. These classes teach parents proper ways of taking care of their children, especially infants and toddlers. Topics include nutrition, breastfeeding, immunization, schedules, hygiene, and first aid for common illnesses. By holding this in schools, mothers have a child-friendly place to learn without traveling far. The school's environment also makes learning more formal and respected, so parents take the lessons seriously. Overall, this helps improve family well-being and support healthy child development in the community. Fourth, school use as an evacuation center. During disasters such as typhoons, floods, earthquakes, or fires, schools provide temporary shelter and safety for affected families. School buildings are usually made of concrete and have multiple rooms, making them stronger than many houses in the area. They also have water facilities, comfort rooms, and open grounds that can accommodate many evacuees. Local government units and NGOs coordinate with schools to distribute relief goods and provide psychosocial support. Because of this, schools become a secure place where people can stay until conditions improve and they can safely return home. Fifth, school facilities used for community assemblies. These gatherings allow community members to discuss important issues that affect everyone in the barangay. The covered court or open grounds can hold large audiences, and the sound system from the school can be used for announcements. Topic may include new ordinances, upcoming projects, budget hearings, or disaster preparedness plans. Having assemblies in school makes the event feel official and encourages more residents to participate. Through these schools help promote transparency, collective decision making, and active citizenship. 6. School basketball court used for local celebrations and barangay sports league. The court becomes the main venue for fiestas, foundation days, Christmas programs, and Linggo ng Kabataan activities. Barangay sports leagues like basketball and volleyball tournaments are also held here to engage the youth. These activities promote unity, teamwork, discipline, and healthy living among community members. They also keep the youth away from drugs and other vices by giving them a positive outlet. In this way, the school facility strengthens relationships and builds camaraderie in the community. 7. Schools conduct livelihood skills training programs for parents and out of school youths by using school resources. Schools offer the use of their TLE laboratories, tools, and equipment for hands-on training. Programs may include cooking, baking, sewing, carpentry, computer literacy, or small business management. These skills give parents and OSY or out of school youth a chance to earn extra income or start their own micro business. DepEd's ALS and community extension programs often partner with TESDA to make the training accredited. By doing this, schools can reduce schools help reduce poverty and promote self-reliance among families. Lastly, livelihood skills training for parents and out of school youths by teachers themselves. Teachers share their knowledge and expertise beyond the classroom, especially during weekends or summer. TLE and SHS or senior high schools teachers often volunteer volunteer to teach dressmaking, food processing, or electronics repair to community members. Their role as trainers shows that teaching is not limited to the four walls of the classroom. This dedication inspires the community and builds deep respect for the teaching profession. Through their service, teachers help the community grow and become more self-reliant. In conclusion, schools give back to the community in many meaningful ways. They are not only centers of education, but also centers of service, support, and development. Through these efforts, schools help build stronger, more united, and more progressive communities. Learning from the experiences of schools and partnerships, here are some concrete examples. First, Dumingag Central School in Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur. Second, Angels, Magic Spot, and Project Ridge, etc., Pembo Elementary School, Makati. Dumingaga Central School, Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur have strong school community partnership, kiddie cup classes. That's all my part in our report. Thank you.